inside of a 3-dimensional sheet. Here's a sheet of plywood, and I have cut paths up on that. That programs into the computer that runs the CNC machine, and you can see here these green lines are basically the outline of these that have already been cut, and you can see the cursor moving across those at this point. And it actually comes out of the machine. That code is written to control 3 axes, X, Y, and Z of this machine. X direction, this direction, the Y direction, in this direction, and the Z up and down. And the range of motion for this machine is about 32 by 32 inches by about 7 inches. So I can cut a pretty big block in 3 dimensions. This is a pretty simple cut, and it's just doing a 2-dimensional cut from XY, just to cut out these little loops. So we'll move on and just continue down.